Here's the Model N back together. I need to find a junction for the fuel inlet so I can run the fuel strainer. Rebuilt the carburetor today, sandblasted it, bead blasted actually, and then got it clean, put it back together. Was a little tricky to get the springs and the throttle rod back on the bell cranks there, but they're there. And next to do is the frame. Now, I took a wire wheel, maybe we can see this, took a wire wheel to this portion here, and that took about 15 seconds. So with this video, I'm also going to say thank you for everyone who subscribed to my channel. I didn't like the other video. It was a little too hokey, so I took it off. And I still have a way to go before I can monetize, but I will never ask anyone to like, share, and subscribe. It's pretentious, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching this short video, and hope everybody has a great Saturday night. Later.